Hello and welcome to the CNA Instructor's Secret Cocktail. I'm your pusher, Victoria Randall, and today's topic is going to be how to become a CNA instructor in the state of Illinois. So each state is very different. Today I will highlight the basics for the state of Illinois. So for the state of Illinois, in order to become a CNA instructor, an approved CNA instructor, the state of Illinois, the board for CNA instructor, for CNA programs period, is the Basic Nurse Aid Training Program. It's referred to as the BNATP, okay? Basic Nurse Aid Training Program. In order to be a CNA instructor in the state of Illinois, you must be a licensed RN. You must have at least 2 years of experience, with 1 year of experience caring for chronically ill, elderly, or working within a long-term care facility, okay? You also must have some type of experience teaching adults, taking a course on teaching adults, or experience in supervising nurse aides, okay? So any of those components in order to become a CNA instructor in the state of Illinois. You also must take a Train the Trainer evaluation program. All right, and in addition to the Train the Trainer, you also must take a approved Evaluator Workshop. So there's 2 different courses that you have to take, and they must be with a department approved program. Now, where do I find those programs to get that certification, you may ask? Go to www.cnaeducators.org. Again, that's www.cnaeducators.org. You can also look down in the description box. I'll place a link there for this website so that you can browse and peruse and find a find a program in your area that you can get certified with, okay? Now, a few more things to know if you want to become a CNA instructor in the state of Illinois. You must take a refresher course every 5 years to keep your certification up to date. And when you initially submit to become an instructor for the state, it can take up to 60 days to actually get that approval. So make sure that you plan accordingly when it comes to that. What else here? Also, you need to make sure that you get some type of training in Alzheimer's Care, okay? So your Train the Trainer program could potentially have that component where you're getting the Alzheimer's Care instruction. If not, then you need to make sure that you get that as a separate certificate. So let me talk to you about all the elements that you need to submit to the state in order to be confirmed a CNA instructor in the state of Illinois. You must have your resume. And your resume needs to be very detailed. Make sure you're talking about what type of floor you worked on, how long you worked there. Make sure you give some specifics and some examples about your work so that they can clarify and verify that you are certified. If you're very vague in your resume, they will reject that portion of the application. Okay? Also, you need to have your license number for your RN licensing. You need to have your Train the Trainer certificate. You need to have your approved evaluator certificate when you submit, and you also need to have that Alzheimer's training to prove that you've had that Alzheimer's training as well. Make sure you submit that to them. And CPR card, okay? Make sure you submit a CPR card or that you've acquired your CPR certification. Now, here's a caveat to Illinois that you'll want to know. In the state of Illinois, you can be approved to be an instructor, but in certain brims, all right? So what I mean by that is, in the state of Illinois, you can be approved to be an instructor, but you can only teach certain topics if you're approved in that topic. So for instance, in order to teach CPR, you have to actually have a CPR card. Does not mean that you have to be a CPR trainer, but you at least need to be a BLS provider in order to then give that skill to your CNA student. Now, that does not deem them certified. As you and I both know, you actually have to be a instructor to certify others. But to just give them the basic concepts in the state of Illinois, you have to at least be a CNA. You have to at least have your CPR BLS card. All right, but remember I said in order for you to teach certain content, you must have obtained approval by the state in that content. So for example, Alzheimer's, theory, clinical, special content, or CPR. So you could have all of these components, but because you didn't turn in your CPR card, you could be approved for clinical, for theory, for Alzheimer's, and for any type of special content, but you would not be able to teach the CPR portion of the curriculum, if that makes any sense. All right, so be sure that when you submit, you're submitting your information for all of these, and so that you can be approved for as many areas as possible so that you can teach as much as possible, okay? And I think that is it, okay? If you have any questions for me, drop them in the questions section below. I'll be happy to look them over and answer them as I can. And remember, you can always go to Illinois' state website to learn more about the requirements to start a CNA program as well as become a CNA instructor. And if you are interested in learning more about just starting a CNA school, period, in the state of Illinois, you can email me directly below. In the description box, you'll see a link to my email. Feel free to email me. I'll be happy to give you your state-specific information so you can look into that further. Or, of course, you can always consult me and bring me on. I'll be happy to help you start your CNA school in your state. Once again, thank you so much for joining the CNA Instructor Secret Cocktail. You have a good one.